In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft thumbnail in Canva. First, log into your Canva account, then go to the left sidebar and click this Create button. From here, go to the search bar and search for YouTube thumbnail. Click this one, and it will bring you to the editor page. Now let's add the screenshot of our Minecraft world. To do that, you can go to the Uploads tab on the left side of your screen and click Upload Files. Find the screenshot, click Open, and wait until it's uploaded to Canva. Once it's uploaded, just click it to add it to the design. Then, you just have to adjust the size and position like this. To add a text, you can go to the Text tab on the left side of your screen and click Add a Heading. Then change the text to whatever you want. For example, since this is a Wolf Army Experiments in Minecraft, so I'll just change it to Wolf Army Experiments. Then adjust the size and position of the text. Then go to the top toolbar to change the font style, size, color, and add an effect. Once you've done with the text, you can go to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen and search for something related to Minecraft. Let's add this word and adjust the size and position. As you can see, this word is behind the text, so to bring it forward, all you have to do is right-click the graphic, then go to Layer, and click Bring to Front. Then you can also change the color of the graphic by clicking on it, then go to the top toolbar and change the colors. Once you're happy with the result, click the Share button in the top corner right, click Download, choose the file type as PNG, and click this purple download button. So that's how to create a Minecraft thumbnail in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.